Hello, thank you for watching the video. Yes, today we're going to be talking about how to create your LLC. So as here you can see they got three different ways to call it. Here in Georgia, when you go on the secretary website, they call it article of organization. But some they might call certificate of organization, or they might call it certificate of formation. So look for those three terms. It can be certificate of organization, article of organization, and certificate of formation. So it's basically three steps. You go or look for the Secretary of State of your state website. So when you go on that website, we're gonna go here and try to do example. So I'm gonna type South Carolina, Secretary of State of Carolina. So when you get that on Google, select that. And the thing to look for is always look for like online filing. So here it give you, it depend in the website. Some the Georgia one is different from this one, the South Carolina one. So you can see online filing. So go for business entity online, business filing document request. So you can request and they send you. I believe this one, the second one is that, but this is the online to fill it, file it online. So just if you're starting, select this one. If it's the existing business, just select this one. So I'm gonna go back on the Georgia one because that's the one I'm familiar with. I live in Atlanta, off of Atlanta. So that's the one I'm gonna be showing you. Secretary of State of Georgia. So select Georgia Secretary of State. So it depends of the state. They got a different way of calling it. So this is it's a licensing. Sorry for my accent. Okay, this is something else. Okay, let me change. Nope, this is not the one I was looking for. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yes, those are the information that you have to get, register online. You see, it's basically for, sorry if you hear my kid yelling. Do your research to be sure your LLC is the right structure for your business. So you follow that, gather all those information, and then when you get here, select register online. So you go on the website and it's cost, you create account and you register. When you get in your account, you select on register, fill out the code, and you got at the end, it just take about 5 minutes to fill it up. At the end, you will have to pay $100. So it take about 7 business a day. Mine, when I did it, I got mine after 2 weeks, two full business week, and they will send you in the email. Yes, and you got the option if you want to get it the same day, you have to pay additional $250, which I didn't do. So okay, let's go on the website. Yeah, this is the website, Georgia Corporation Division. So you just go on online service. When you selected that, it will bring, so you should not open another window on that. So you put your, if you have an account, you put your account, but if you don't have an account there, go and create. It's self-explanatory. When you follow the step, it's gonna take you, help you create your account. You will go to your email to activate the account, and then you come back here. When you get in the account, then you can select file for certificate of organization for LLC. And like I say, it take about 5 minutes. They only ask you the name of your company, your LLC, or the owner name, and you gotta put somebody, I forgot that name, a manager or something like that. So that's all you have to do to have your certificate of formation, or also called certificate of organization of or article of organization. I will post the picture of mine later on the website, on the in the group. All right, thank you. That was all I got today for you about how to get your LLC documentation.